Hi, my name is Tom Anderson, and the career choice I chose was physical therapy. I chose to becoming a physical therapist because growing up, I was always intrigued by participating in physical activities. My favorite subject in school was PE, physical education. And what I loved about physical education the most was being able to connect with friends, having fun through physical activities. More so because in middle school and high school, we no longer had recess. And what drew me in the most of wanting to become a physical therapist is beforehand, I was a personal trainer at 24 Hour Fitness. Then COVID had hit. And then everyone got laid off. So I thought to myself, what can I do essentially to where I can continue to help people set, meet, and reach their goals through the ability that God gave me to inspire and motivate others to do things that they don't think or believe they can do. And what draws me in the most about being a physical therapist is being a physical therapist, you have the ability to help people improve body movement. You have the ability to help people reduce and manage pain. You have the ability to restore body function. And also, we have the ability to help prevent. When becoming a physical therapist, you have to join a professional organization. And in that professional organization, you will have to get a DTP. And what a DTP is a doctor of physical therapy certification. And an association to associate with is the American Physical Therapist Association. When joining a professional organization like the American Physical Therapy Association as a PT, a physical therapist, or a PTA, a physical therapist assistant, or just a membership, or joining as a student, you can join as a discounted rate. Another professional organization that you can join is the American Occupational Association. And there you can get certified in your OT or your OTA. Your OT is an occupational therapist, and your OTA is an occupational therapist assistant. The American Occupation Association strives to improve quality of occupational therapy service. And also, all OTs and OTA members are eligible for membership due installment plans known as Easy Pay. So they work with you with paying the installments to joining their organization. Also, you can consider joining the California Physical Therapy Association, which is essential and prominent for residents who reside in the area of California. California Physical Therapist Association also offers opportunities for engagement and professional growth. And you have the opportunity to continue educational courses. So if you're done with educational courses, you have the ability to be able to come back. Educational requirements. Before becoming a physical therapist, you have to attend a 4-year undergraduate accredited school. For an example, like California Baptist University, another example, Sacramento State University, and you have to have a minimum of a bachelor's degree in kinesiology or a related field. By joining any of the 3 professional organizations, you can get certified in physical therapist, and you also can get certified in physical therapist assistant, and also join their DTP program. The DT program, again, is the Doctors of Physical Therapy, which is a requirement. Some qualifications that I already may have on becoming a PT, a physical therapist, is I graduated from high school. I'm enrolled in California Baptist University, which is a 4-year undergraduate accredited school to further my education. And also, I have took some courses already. I already took some of the prerequisites. I took the biology and human analogy and physiology course, and I've took the introduction to kinesiology course. Some things that I believe I can improve on is, number one, presentation. I believe that I can work on getting my point across more clear when I'm presenting things. Two, another thing that I believe that I can improve on is by connecting my career with my life experiences. Being able to talk about my life experiences and connecting them to the career that I'm pursuing now. And last but not least, another thing that I think I can improve on is just calming myself down. Calming myself down, not getting too overworked up, not getting all in my head, not overthinking things, and just be confident in what I'm saying and confident in the things that I'm doing.